Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we explore the best in tech and kitchen gadgets. Today, we're checking out the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 blender. If you're in the market for a premium blender that promises both versatility and power, you're going to want to hear about this one. From smoothies to soups and even self-cleaning, this blender has some serious claims. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Vitamix Ascent Series X2 blender is designed to be the powerhouse of your kitchen. At its core, it features a 2.2 horsepower motor, which means it's not just for basic blending. This is the kind of motor that can handle fibrous vegetables, frozen fruits, ice, and even tough nuts. Basically, anything you throw at it. The motor is paired with laser-cut stainless steel blades that are tough enough to tackle almost any ingredient you throw at them. The 48-ounce container is perfect for medium-sized batches, and it's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. This blender is equipped with 3 automatic blending programs: smoothies, frozen desserts, and soups, each designed to give you consistent results every time. The programs work by adjusting the motor speed and blend times based on the recipe you choose. The blender also gives you manual control with variable speed settings and a pulse function, so you can fine-tune your textures as needed. There's also a self-cleaning program where you simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and in 60 seconds, the blender cleans itself. That's a big time saver. For users looking for more than just a basic blender, the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 has something really unique. It's designed to work with self-detect containers and attachments. This technology means the blender automatically adjusts the settings based on the container you're using, ensuring optimal blending. So, whether you're using the 48-ounce container or something larger, the blender adapts to deliver the best performance. This is a game changer for anyone looking to create a personalized blending system. Now, when it comes to real-world usage, I put this blender to the test in a few different scenarios. First up, smoothies. I threw in frozen berries, spinach, and some protein powder. The blender powered through everything without breaking a sweat, creating a perfectly smooth, creamy texture in just 30 seconds. The motor is powerful, but it's not noisy either, which is a nice bonus. Next, I tried making soup. With the soup program, I added in cooked vegetables and broth. The blender didn't just mix, it actually heated the ingredients. The result was a steaming bowl of soup, hot and smooth, without the need for a stove or separate cooking process. Lastly, I tried some frozen desserts. The blender tackled frozen fruits and ice to create a creamy sorbet-like texture, no chunks left behind. As for ease of use, the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 is intuitive. The controls are easy to navigate, and the included tamper helps when you need to break up thicker ingredients like frozen fruit. The container itself is well designed, allowing for easy pouring without spilling. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 2.2 horsepower motor is a standout feature, making it one of the most powerful blenders on the market. The self-cleaning function is another huge time saver. No more scrubbing blades by hand. The blending programs are a great touch, especially if you're new to high-performance blenders or just want to press a button and get consistent results. The design is sleek and the build quality feels premium, as you'd expect from Vitamix. The warranty, which spans 10 years, is a big plus too, giving you peace of mind with your investment. But no product is without its drawbacks. While the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 is an exceptional blender, it's not exactly budget-friendly. The price point is higher than many other blenders, which might be a concern for users looking for something more affordable. Also, while the 48-ounce container is a good size for most people, it might not be enough for larger families or those who entertain frequently. Lastly, although it's versatile, it's not exactly compact. This is a countertop blender that takes up a bit more space, so you'll want to be mindful of your kitchen layout. In terms of value for money, the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 offers a premium experience that justifies its price for serious home chefs or anyone who uses their blender frequently. It delivers professional-grade results in terms of texture, speed, and durability. Compared to other high-end blenders like the Blendtec Designer 725 or the Ninja Foodie Power Pitcher, the Vitamix stands out because of its power, versatility, and the self-detect feature, which allows for more flexibility as you expand your blending system. However, if you're just looking for something to make smoothies occasionally, you might find it to be overkill. When we look at build quality, it's clear that this blender is built to last. The materials feel sturdy, and the design is sleek and professional looking. Vitamix is known for making durable products, and the Ascent Series X2 is no exception. While long-term testing is limited, Vitamix has a strong reputation for reliability, and the 10-year warranty speaks to the trust the brand has in its product. If you've ever needed customer support, you'll appreciate Vitamix's responsiveness. They have a reputation for being helpful, and with a solid warranty backing, you can expect good service if anything goes wrong with the blender. Personally, I didn't need to reach out for support, but the brand's reputation gives me confidence that it would be handled efficiently if needed. In conclusion, the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 blender is a high-performance kitchen tool that's designed for those who demand the best in blending. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or frozen desserts, this blender delivers professional-level results with ease. Its features, like the self-cleaning function and the self-detect containers, make it a standout in the world of high-end blenders. However, its price tag might be a hurdle for casual users, and its size could be a concern for smaller kitchens. If you're someone who blends regularly or loves experimenting with different recipes, the Ascent X2 is a solid investment. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. If you've already got the Vitamix Ascent X2, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And if you're considering picking it up, check the comments box for the link to get your own. Goodbye until next time, where we always bring you the best reviews right here at Reviewsinside TV.